Ayan. So today, nag-unbox tayo ng ating, what's this?
Secret, a milestone.
Milestone.
Play button na. Play.
So, let's see.
A souvenir type lang siya, not the real thing.
Souvenir type. 1 hour, ika 500 subscriber.
Marking
Team
500.
WXYZ. So, ano nga ba yung Team WXYZ? It's ano?
Stands for
Stands for ano?
Team William Sir Daniel
And Severus.
Prince and Severus. Team XYZ.
Yun ito mabubuksan natin.
A few moments later.
That's fine.
Okay. So,
The
this
first-
is it. Bakit silver button na to?
Hindi pa yan.
So,
It's the beginning.
ito is just ano?
It's just a replica.
Replica. Let's
Souvenir.
open. Tada! Wow! Secured na secured ah. So, meron siyang bubble wrap. And then, a disclaimer. Of course. Says, ano daw to? You just done something that very few YouTubers creator accomplish. You had astonishing 500 people subscribe to your channel. Nice. And, of course, where is it?
Yay!
Meron siyang disclaimer, it's not authentic, of course, kasi personalize lang siya.
It's just a
Pero,
souvenir.
tignan nyo naman,
Look at that guy.
ang kintab.
Wow.
Magkano siya? So, meron siyang back and forth, meron siyang bubble
Wrap.
wrap.
Where's the paper?
And then,
What's the paper?
that's just a
What's the
disclaimer.
paper saying?
Here you
Yes,
go.
right.
So,
Ito.
yeah, ito.
Congrats.
For
Passing.
send it to Team WXYZ for passing 500 subscribers.
Yeah.
As of January 5, 2026.
Yay!
Galing, ha?
Congratulations, Team WX.
Sana sa susunod, 100,000 subscriber na tayo.
It's just the beginning. I love it.
Let's see.
Yes, it,
Wow! Kintab. Meron lang siya small
dirt.
dirt lang yata. Ayan, natanggal siya.
Dirt.
Ayan. And then this one is acrylic. And then they put a hindi ko alam kung
UV printed siya.
UV printed siya kasi naka-emboss siya. Naka-emboss.
Wow, it looks sure.
Yay!
Congrats.
Next milestone sana totoo na. Thank you. See you guys. Subscribe to our channel para makaabot tayo dun sa next milestone.
Next milestone is 1,000. See you sa
See you.
1,000.